Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to make this exact landing page. The landing page I'm making today is built with the Divi theme. I'm not going to go over all the features of the Divi theme, but there's one feature that you should know about. The import-export feature, which allows you to export and upload pre-built layouts into any website that has the Divi theme installed, meaning that you can upload this layout and use it over and over again with just a couple of clicks. Hey guys, one other thing, I want to let you know that I'm giving this landing page away for free over at my website, MikeShamon.com. There's a link below in the description to the blog post. Just go there and you can download this landing page right now. Alright guys, let's get into the tutorial. And I'm just doing a video sales page right now. What I've done is I've just created a new page, I've gone to a new row, and I've just added a little text module with some dummy text in there. I've switched my template to blank page, right, and then I've hit publish. Right, once you do that, go ahead and go up to view page, and let's just go to enable visual builder. Alright, now we can start creating our video sales page, or a video landing page I should say. So let's go to our text and let's just make this some bigger text. Let's go to design text, and then let's just make this ultra bold. We'll make that red, and actually we'll get some put some other text in there. Alright, put that text in there, and then let's go back to design and text, and we will do the line height. Alright, and then let's center it. Alright, and then let's do this and go to design and size spacing for the section. Okay, and then let's go to a new section here and go to regular with, we're going to do, let's do this one. Okay, and let's see here, we're going to need a text module here. Alright, we'll do that headline text there, and then let's get a couple blurbs up in here. We'll do one blurb. Alright, we'll come back to that in just a second. Then we're going to do our email opt-in right here. Alright, for right here, we're just going to add an image. It's going to be something of a video. And then over here, I'm going to make a little box, okay? So it's going to be a little bit different, but you just got to kind of follow along with me for a second while we do this. So, alright, let's just go to this text. Let's figure out what this is going to be. So text and background, actually color, ultra bold. Alright, let's go to center, check. And this right here is just going to be a blurb check mark. Alright, delete this, and then go to image and icon, use icon. Alright, and then we'll go with the check mark and go design, image and icon. It's going to be green, and then it's going to be on the left side. Okay, and then we'll use the size that we want. Looks good. Alright, and then for this text, let's go back and edit this. Alright, 18 looks good. Body height. Alright, and then let's go for this opt-in. Let's go here and design. Just take this stuff away. Okay, and then fields. Actually, let's go to layout. Bottom from top. Alright, we just did that for right now. And then let's go to the fields. And we'll show the email address. Okay. And then let's go to background. And take that background off. Let's go to fields, design fields. And go down to border. Okay, and you want to get a border with 1. Actually, let's add the name field back on. I just like adding the name field on there. Fields, name. Okay, there. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to duplicate these after we go to design and spacing. zero out top and bottoms. And just put a little padding right there. Duplicate it, duplicate it. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to widen this out a little bit. So let's go to our row settings, design and sizing, and we'll go to use custom gutter width, and that will give us the ability to do stuff like that. Alright, and then we'll go to width. I have it set for 1200 on this website, so 1200. Okay, and then you can go here by sizing. So now if you want to make this bigger, what you need to do is you need to set this to 100%, or you need to set to a bigger size, like 1920. I usually do 1920 with mine, but you can just do 100%, that's fine. Alright, you can still see there's spacing over here, and that's going to be due to the picture size. It's not totally like that, but so I'm going to come down, go design and sizing, and I'm just going to set this at 1920, and I'm going to make it down to 80% about. Okay. You know, usually getting a little bit more text right here about name and email. Okay, and you want to edit this. Fix the line height on it. Make it black. 18 is good on that, but let's fix the line height. And let's center it. This is something like, hey, enter your name and email in the box below. This actually might be a little bit of a spacing. Alright, and then I'm going to add a little bit of spacing to this column. Now what I'll do for that is, instead of doing it by gutter width, you can do it by gutter width sizing and gutter width and increase it if you want. You can also just go back into here and go to the settings on this column and go to design and spacing, and then add spacing to it this way. Alright, maybe I'll go into the gutter width because maybe it looks a little bit better that way. And it's all just going to be whatever you want. So it's not like a right way or a wrong way, it's just going to be whatever you want. Yeah, it looks better. Alright, now one thing I did want to do though is say you want a background section on this. Here's what you're going to have to do is go to settings and background, and let's pick out a background color. Let's pick out a light gray. Alright, that looks good. Let's pick out that color and copy that color down. Okay. And then you could go, let me see if you can do this way, background, here we go. There, okay. And let me take it off this one now. Alright, and then you're just going to want to add your spacing in here. So you're just going to want to do all this stuff back inside the column section, design and spacing. So now you're going to want to add some on the top and the bottom. Or at least on the top, because that spacing on the bottom looks fine right there. And on the left and right. See, now the spacing here is comes into play with the gutter width. So now if we go back to the gutter width, to the row settings, alright, now it can get close right there. But I am just using this as a placeholder right now. So once I'm going to switch this to a video once I get through all this, and actually maybe I'll do that now. Let's go to this and go to video. So once you grab one of your videos, just go ahead and hit the trash can, go to add video, insert from URL, add your video in right there. Alright, and then I'm just gonna, you can add an overlay if you want. Alright, and I'm just gonna go here, I'm just gonna go to this background color, I'm gonna make it a little bit more light gray. Alright. Alright, so once you get to this point, what you can do is you can then, let's go ahead and set the gutter width and remove the spacing from the top and bottom of this row. And I'm just going to go to sizing, and we're going to do full width with equalized column heights. So now what that does is, you see right here, we had a background on this, okay, on the column. And we equalize column heights, and the background dropped all the way down. So now it's even with that. Alright, so now that we did that, we can kind of do some spacing right here. Oops. in this section. And let's go 0 on the top and the bottom. Okay, and now let's put a little border around this video. Okay. Now let's space this out a little bit more. I'm going to increase the headline text here. And the spacing on the bottom. Alright, then let's increase the spacing of these things, of these little blurbs. Alright, go spacing. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's check that. And now if you don't have any text in here, what you can do is you just go duplicate, duplicate. Do that. Now let's actually, you know what, I want a little bit more spacing on this side, these sides here. So go into the row settings and go back to the column, design and spacing. And then for the left and right, I'm just going to switch to 32. Let's see. So maybe we'll do percentage. 10% is way too much. Let's go 5. Yeah, I like pixels better. 32, 64. Of course, this is going to have to be changed on mobile in just a minute, but let's do that. And then let's do a little bit more spacing at the top for this. Yeah, looks good. All right. So we have that there. Now let's go see how it looks on tablet. All right, on tablet, let's just bring this text down a little bit. Just roll over and go to that. Phone right there, and let's bring it down. That looks good. Let's see on the phone. 28. Okay, now this one, let's see. Design and text. I saw the line height. Okay. Now we'll just have to get this column design and spacing on the phone here. Let's go 16 at the top, 32. Okay, and then on the left and the right we'll do 16. Okay, that looks good there. And then on the tablet, this is going to bother me here. Let's go 32. Okay. All right, so there's how you do a video sales page. Okay, so you got your headline up there, you got your video right here, and then you got your subscribe button here. Now if you want them to watch this video on another page, you would put an image here. All right, now don't forget on your email opt-in form, you want to make sure that you go to content and you want to go to email account and set up your email account, and then you want to go to success action and put your link in the success action. Okay, so this is where they'd go to the next page, or you put in your affiliate link right here. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the other side.